Hey guys! Nagtataka ka ba kung bakit ang inyong lola ay healthy pa din at sexy pa? Yeah, dito lang yan. Dahil lang yan sa Live Good Collagen Peptides, guys. This is good for your nails, healthy hair, healthy skin, muscles, and joints, guys. Napakasarap, napakaganda. Actually, flavor less po siya, no? Wala siyang flavor, so you can mix it sa iyong juice, sa iyong coffee. But me, kasama po ito sa aking daily routine every morning sa akin pong coffee. And hindi lang po basta-basta coffee yung aking inom because this is mushroom coffee, guys. Okay? 6 mushrooms in here. Meron din siyang maca for mental clarity and matcha green tea for brain function. So, way loss coffee po yan, ha? So, hindi basta-basta coffee.